What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, turn motivation into millions, and my new channel, my new dog kennel, Dog Pound Exotic Pups. All right, make sure you go follow and subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all those YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title in every video. Once you click the title in every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media platforms will pop up, all right? And if you want a free method, make sure you go follow me on my IG right now, King Hussle X1M, and I got you a free method, all right? And before we get anything started, make sure you get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're getting what you pay for. You're getting legit business. All right, there's a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for. All right, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, I'm going to be dropping y'all some quick gems for all my people out there with bad credit that need a quick $35,000. I'm going to show you where to go to get you a quick $30,000 with bad credit, all right? And it's a personal loan, all right? All you got to do is follow the instructions that I give you. This is not no all King Hussle just said I can get me $35,000 with this bad credit. No. You have to follow instructions, because if you don't follow instructions, you will not get approved for this loan, all right? It's a bad credit loan, but you got to have certain things on your credit report to show that you're able to pay back this loan, this amount, in order for you to get it, all right? A lot of people got bad credit loans. A lot of people don't have the debt on their credit to be able to prove and show that they're be able to pay back this loan, all right? A lot of people think banks and lenders give loans just off your credit report. No, it's just deeper than that, all right? So if you want to learn how to finesse and get blessed, tap in, watch this video, and let's get to it, all right? So today we're going to be talking about the BMO personal $35,000 bad credit loan that you can get if you have a BMO Harris bank account with them and you are trying to get you a bad credit loan. Now, the key to getting bad credit loans is you have to understand, when these banks and lenders, when you go in there and say, hey, I want a loan, or you apply online trying to get an amount of loan, and they ask for your credit number and all that, your SSN, your social security number and all that, they check your credit report. Even if it's a soft pull or a hard pull, it doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, they're going to do a credit check, which means they want to see your payment history. They want to see the debt that you have on your credit report. They want to see how much debt that you have. Are you paying this debt back on time, which is exceptional payment history, or are you not paying it back, which is delinquent payment history? If you have $50,000+ in debt, or $55,000 to $60,000 in debt being reported on your credit report, and that is not delinquent, then you have a great chance of getting approved for this loan. Now, get away from there. Move. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Now, this is my new investment, the Frenchies, making me some fluffy. So make sure y'all tap into Dog Pound Exotic Pups on IG and on YouTube. Checking out my pups, checking out my, my kennel. But we're gonna get to that later. So back to it. They want to see and make sure that you have and is paying back your debt that you have on your credit report. Now, a lot of people have a lot of things on their credit report. A lot of people have a lot of debt that they are not paying back. So sit down. So if you are not paying back the debt that you have on your credit report, then you are going to have a hard time getting these loans, all right? So if you are watching this video and you want to get this $35,000, do not watch this video and just go jump and try to apply if you're somebody that does not have the debt on your credit report that is exceptional history that can reflect it for you to get this loan, all right? So first things first, how do you get a credit number? A credit number is generated by your payment history. The better payment history that you have and the more debt that you have will build your credit number, all right? So you want to add 2 trade lines. You want to add 2 or more trade lines to your credit report if you're somebody who is looking to get this $35,000 loan. These trade lines are a couple $100 depending on what you get and it will help you be able to get approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. So the first place that you want to go to, like I told you guys, is creditstrong.com. You can get you up to $42,000, $42,500 in trade lines, and you want to go to creditmagnum.com, where you can get $30,000 in trade lines that will report to your personal credit. And you also want to go to Trade Line Supply, where you can get however much money, credit cards, limits being reported to your personal credit as you want. All right, so you want to get one card being reported for $10,000. That's cool. You want to get 3 cards being reported for $30,000. That's also fine too. All right, the more the better, the sweeter the juice. All right, so without further ado, let's check out BMO Harris Bank, where you can go get your bad credit personal loan and up to $35,000. As long as you follow these steps, you'll be blessed, and you'll beat out the competition and all the people who not getting approved for these loans who want to get them too. You'll be the one that's getting it. All right, so without further ado, let's check out this BMO Harris bad credit personal loan for $35,000. All right, so today we're going to be talking about BMO Harris personal bad credit loans. All right, earn up to $400 cash bonus. Open a new personal checking account today and earn up to a $400 cash bonus. Conditions apply. Screen images are simulated. All right, so here's the personal section. All right, so you can do you got the future, you got the checking, the savings, you got the credit cards, you got the loans, the mortgages, you got the investments, you got the learning. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to the loans. Once you go to the loans, they got everything right here that you would need. It just basically breaks down loan calculators, explore your own loan options. So you go explore your loan options. Once you go there, then you're going to see all the different loan options. You got home improvement, you got large expenses, you got consolidate my debt, you got vehicle refinance, you got build or establish, right? So home equity line of credit, you got home equity loans, you got personal loans, you got personal lines of credit, you got auto loans, you got savings secured loans, you got credit building program, you got a lot of different options that you can do on the personal side. So a lot of people that look for the loans, they go to the personal loans. I get a lump sum amount at a great rate to use any way you like, with a fixed interest rate and payment. All right, so the details, simple application process, get your money fast, repay early with no penalty, which is great because a lot of times when you pay back early on the personal side, it affects your personal credit in a negative way. All right, a lot of people pay back big accounts off their personal, and it takes off credit. They lose points, and they're like, wow, how does that happen? That's why, because it's personal credit. Everything on the personal side is for emergency purposes. You're borrowing because you need it, all right? So that's why it impacts your personal credit in a negative way. Borrow up to $35,000, all right? Great for one-time need, for upfront financing, like a home reno, debt consolidation, or education. Now, a lot of other people, they also tap into to get both money and flexibility. Borrow only what you need and pay interest only on what you use. All right, so the details is a simple application process to get you funds fast. As you pay down your line, you borrow funds again without having to reapply. Borrow up to $15,000, which means if you get a $15,000 line of credit, you only use $5,000. You're only responsible for you paying back the $5,000 and not the $10,000. So once you get you a $10,000 loan, get over here. Once you get you the $15,000 line of credit, boom. If you only use $5,000, you're only responsible for $5,000. Once you pay back that $5,000, they'll boost it up. They'll give you a higher limit on the line of credit. All right, so it's safer for people who only want to pay back what they use and don't want to pay back extra because they didn't use it, so they don't want to pay it back. All right. Then they also got other options from the auto loans, the savings secure loans, and they got the credit bureau loan program. So secure with a BMO CD, make one-time payments to build credit history. When paid off, you get a CD balance plus interest. All right, so a lot of different options that you can go to, but the main one that people go to is the personal loan for $35,000, bad credit approved. Credit, as long as you got a bank account with them, you build up a relationship with them, you depositing money in your checking and savings account, your personal, you building up a relationship. That's how you build a relationship with banks. Credit report, your credit doesn't really matter as long as you can show on your credit report, on your credit, that you have X amount of debt that you can pay back, which is more than what you're asking to borrow, because they want to know that you can pay back the money that you're borrowing, and live a life that you'll be able to live, pay your bills and pay rent and all that also. All right, so make sure you're tapping into BMO Harris with this $35,000 bad credit loan. Make sure you follow these instructions. Make sure you add those trade lines, and I guarantee you have a better chance of getting approved for this $35,000 loan, and it's CPN friendly. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about this $35,000 loan. All right, so there we go. BMO here is giving out $35,000 with bad credit. As long as you got a relationship with that bank, meaning you got a bank account, checking and savings, and you've been depositing money. Once they start sending you them perks and them offers, that's when you're building up a relationship. All right, so if you somebody got a bank account with them, or if you don't, go open up a bank account, start depositing money into your bank account. Let the relationship grow. Go add those trade lines from Trade Line Supply, Credit Strong, and CreditMagnum.com. Over $100,000 in trade lines right there to reflect on your credit report that showed them that you. So when you add those trade lines, it will reflect on your credit report that you got over $100,000 in trade lines, or not even trade lines, in loans that you're paying back each month on time. That will build your credit and show the credit on the lenders and the banks that you have exceptional payment history, and you're paying back an X amount that you'll be able to pay back this loan, and you won't have a problem with paying back the money that you're getting lent from them. All right, so trade lines are the best thing that ever happened in life if you're somebody looking to get money. All right, so make sure y'all tap in with BMO. Don't miss on this bad $35,000 bad credit loan, because if you do, you're going to be mad. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get the sauce, you ready to get your financial freedom lessons into the university? You want to learn how to get this money. You want to learn how to invest and be blessed. You want to learn this credit game. You want to learn how to get rich off credit. You want to learn the tricks and the trades to make passive income, make all profit, make $1,000 a day sitting in this chair, your chair. You want to learn how to make $50,000 a month all profit. Get your FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems right now for $600, Cashapp or Bitcoin payment. A lot of people got their lessons. A lot of people have been succeeding in life. A lot of people have been learning new things. And a lot of people have been changing their life around with these lessons, all right? I've been posting a lot of lesson videos on my shorts. So tap in. Be the next person to get your gems. Be the next person to win. You're going to get the 8 instant cash out methods. You're going to get 2 free live cards. You're going to get the new age credit repair handbook. You're going to get so much information to win and learn and make money, and you're gonna be like, wow, you should be a real life teacher. And I am. So make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all FaceTime one-on-one limited gems for $600, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Do not miss out. Prices will be going up soon. Also, Gigi, make sure you tapping into the in-person unlimited gems, the crypto tour. We back live in effect. If you come in city, if you come to me, it's going to be $4,500. But if I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $5,500. And you got to pay for my hotel and my flight. All right, so $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, you want to learn all the gems that you need to know that I've been giving in the FaceTime 101. You're going to learn everything about credit. You're going to learn all the methods. You're going to learn everything. You will leave learning. And listen, if you really want to learn how to make some money and you pay attention, you're going to work smarter and not harder. We are not working hard over here doing too much extra stuff. We are learning the key to success, financial freedom. We're learning how to leverage credit into cash. We're learning how to do methods. We're learning how to do everything. All right, so if you really learn how to make some money, tap into either your FaceTime one-on-one limited gems for $600, or tap into the crypto tour in-person limited gems. You come in city to me, come in state to me, it's going to be $4,500. If I could come out of state to you, it's going to be $5,500. And you also got to pay for my hotel and my flight, all right? So make sure you tap it in on that. Do not miss out. A lot of people have been winning, then turn a lot of people into millionaires, then show a lot of people how to make $10,000 100 times. That's $1 million. Then show a lot of people how to start investing and being blessed. Then show a lot of people how to invest into 10 different companies, make $10,000 off each a month, which is $100,000, and save that and invest that. And then in the whole 12 months span, they made over $1.2 million. So tap into my program, be the next to be blessed, and get this money, all right? Also, anybody looking to get their 8 instant cash out methods, we got the Cash App glitch, the Bitcoin glitch, we got the card method, all that. 8 instant cash out methods for 2 free live cards. 4, 320 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Do not contact me unless you send me a screenshot of the 320 being your Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Anytime you contact me, be payment ready, sending me them screenshots, because if you don't, I will not respond. So stop yoing me, stop asking me 100 paragraphs, stop asking me how you can contact me, stop asking me how you can talk to me, stop telling me you got a couple questions to ask me. None of that. You want to handle business, follow the instructions, and I guarantee you, We're going to handle business the right way, and we all going to win, all right? So make sure y'all follow instructions. Make sure y'all sending me them screenshots. And understand, once again, I will not respond to you if you're not sending me them screenshots. I do not talk for free. This is the only time I ever talk for free because I have a business. I have people who are paying for their lessons. I have people who are paying for my services. I have people who are paying to learn this information. So it won't make sense for me to talk for free. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into that. Also, anybody looking to get their 8 instant cash out methods, they 2 free live cards and all that, tap into my Wealth and Riches Telegram right now. 6,400 subscribers. Don't get scammed by none of these fake King Hustle pages. No Telegram with no King Hustle. So if you come across one that is not me, report it. Wealth and Riches is in my community post. And it is in my links in all my bios when you click the title on all my videos. So tap in right now. Come, don't hate. Come get a dinner plate. Everybody that's been hating on the Cash App or whatever methods or all that, the ones that's hating are the ones who are not making money. The people who are actually tapping in and learning something, they are the ones who are winning. All right, so either you're going to be on this side or you're going to be on this side. You're going to be a hater or you're going to get a dinner plate. Either way, we all making money over here, so make sure you tapping in. All right, it's your boy King Hustle. Got a mixtape dropping soon. Mixtape dropping on February 17th. Every song produced by me. Also, tap in, get your World Tour t-shirts right now. $160 just for the shirt. But if you want the shirt and either the Cash App glitch or how to make $50,000 a month, all profit and 1 free live card is going to be for $200. All right, so you get the free t-shirt, you get the t-shirt, you get the 1 method and the 1 free live card for $200, or just a t-shirt for $160. All right, so make sure you tap in on that. Still doing the giveaway with the t-shirt and with the Jordans that I still got. So make sure y'all follow them instructions, man. Come get these free giveaways. Come get these free methods. Come get this free money. Come get all this free stuff, all right? So make sure you tapping in, being a real fan, and really tapping in. Go run the views and likes and subscribers up on King Hustle X1M. Just dropped 10K free 10K on there. Finna drop a lot of new videos, new music, new mixtape coming February 17th. So be looking out for that, all right? So it's your boy King Hustle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.